Hey everyone, let's take a quick look what's really is going on in the Bitcoin market right now. A lot of you woke up, grabbed your phone, opened the chart, and boom, Bitcoin sitting around $97,000 per coin. I know that feeling. Your stomach drops. You wonder, wait, what happened? Are we in trouble? So let me talk to you like we're sitting right across from each other. Because nothing that happened to this was random. Nothing about this dip is a surprise if you understand the game. Let's break it down in the simplest ways possible. Bitcoin dropped from around $103,000 per coin into the $97,000 zone. Weekly chart down about 3.5%. Yes, we're in a pullback, but no. This was not a panic crash. This was a chain reaction. Let me give you some reason why Bitcoin is down. Reason number one, a massive liquidation wave. The classic trap. Many traders thought Bitcoin was heading straight up, so they borrowed monies to make bigger bets. Leverage. And leverage is a timing bomb. All it took was a small dip, and boom, over $350 million in long position vanished, liquidated, forced selling, accelerating the drops like dominoes falling in slow motion. That's how you get these sharp dips. Not because Bitcoin is weak, but because traders were greedy. Reason number two, a huge liquidity trap under $100,000. There were billions of dollars in buy orders sitting between $98,000 and $100,000. That market always gravitates toward liquidity, toward where the money sit. And remember, Bitcoin hit $100,000 floor 4 times since May. Every time you hit the same floor, it loses strength. Today, that floor finally gave up. That's normal market behavior, not a disaster. Reason number 3, the whole world went risk off. And this is important. It wasn't just Bitcoin bleeding. It was everything. Nasdaq's down about 2.3%. Tech earnings disappointed. CEOs gave gloomy outlook. Rate cuts hope faded. Uncertainty spiked everywhere. When some investors get nervous, and I say some, they don't think, they react. They pull money out of everything that is risky. And Bitcoin get dragged into that categories. Even though it's long term, it's becoming one of the strongest assets on earth. So Bitcoin didn't fall alone. It fell with the global mood. Reason number 4, buyers didn't defend $100,000 per coin level. Usually, when Bitcoin hits the big support zone, bull rush in to protect it. But this time, buyers hesitated. They wanted confirmation, not hope. So the level broke quietly and naturally. And honestly, that's healthy. Weak support needs to break so strong supports can be built. So what does all of this really mean? It means today wasn't some doomsday moment. It wasn't the bull run's ending. It wasn't Bitcoin topped it forever. It was too much leverage, too many long staked in the same zone, a weak support floor, and fear in traditional markets. This happened in every cycle. Every bull run has these shakeouts. Every rally has these traps. This is part of how Bitcoins move forward by shaking out the peoples who don't really understand what they are holding. And I want to talk straight to you here. Is this the bottom? Maybe we touch the 97 zone again. That's where the liquidity is sitting at. But historically, once the liquidity get cleared, you get a bounce, a recovery, and a push back to what $108,000 or $112,000 if momentum returns. So no, the bull run isn't over, not even close. If anything, this is the reset the market needed. And here's the reason, the one I wish new investor would tattoo on their forehead. You don't win this game by watching dollar price. You win by stacking Bitcoin or Satoshis consistently, a little every month. That's how people build real future wealth, not by timing dips, but by surviving them. And yes, for everyone asking about altcoins don't really move until Bitcoin gets back above strength level, like $140,000, $160,000, even $200,000 per coin. That's when you see altcoin crawl back alive. Right now, this is just background noise. This is a discount days for long-term thinkers. And take this in before you leave. The future for Bitcoin still looks incredibly promising, even on days like this, even when it's rough, even when people panic, because the game isn't decided in one day. It's decided over years. If this helps you understand what just happened, show some love. Like, subscribe, all the good stuff. And as always, the future belongs to those who pay attention early, and you're one of them. Stack with purpose. And with that said, don't forget to hold it tight and stack it right. Take care, my friend.